Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and on this video we are going to learn how to configure or scroll to the top button using OceanWP. First, we need to go over to the appearance button and then we click on customize. Once we are here, we need to go to the general options and then select scroll to top, which is this button right here. If we click it, we go right to the top. We can first enable it. If we want to remove it, we simply uncheck the box and it will disappear. Then we can select the arrow icon. We are going to choose this little fellow here. Then we can choose the position. For our side, it will be better to be to the right. Then we can move it a little bit here to a little bit up. Then we can choose the size of the button. It doesn't need to be that big. And the size of the icon inside the button. And we're going to make it rounder by choosing the radius. And now we need to make it a little bit more notorious, so we are going to make it a striking orange. And for the color, we are going to choose a white, and we are going to leave the icon white, and for the hover it's going to be orange. Like that. Looks good. Once we have our button the way we want it, we are going to click on publish to save off changes, and then it will work like a charm and it will look quite good. That's it. If you like, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help with their sites. See you the next time on Paletech.